welcome to Mathematics for Mankind. Today we will discuss special type of multiplication by Vedic Sutra, Ekanyena Purvena. According to Ekanyena Purvena, either multiplicand or multiplier should be entirely consisting of nines. According to Ekanyena Purvena Sutra, the multiplication can be divided into three cases. First case is the number of digits of multiplier and multiplicand will be same. Here 999 is the multiplier and 657 is the multiplicand. In the second case, the number of multiplicand will be lesser than the number of multiplier. And in the third case, the number of multiplicand will be greater than the number of digits of multiplier. Here we see that the number of digits is 3 and 3, here is 2 and 3, here is 4 and 3. Now we will discuss the method of the first case. So our first example is 657 into 999. So our first step will be 657 minus 1, that is equal to 656. So this is our step 1. Now our step 2 will be 1000 minus 657. We have taken 1000 since there are 3-digit number, that is 999, or that is equal to 343. We can do another step that is 999 minus 656. That is also 343. Hence our answer will be 656, 343. Now we will see whether our answer was correct or not.
Awesome.
657 multiplied by 999, that is equal to 656, 343. Hence our answer was absolutely correct. Equal to 656, 343. Now we will take the second example as 58979 multiplied by 99999. This is a 5-digit number. So this time we will do this in single line and mentally. Our first step will be 58979 minus 1. Hence that is 58978. And our second step will be, we will subtract 58979 from 1 and 5 zeros. Since there are 5 nines, hence we have taken 5 zeros, and it will be 41021. Hence our answer will be 58978411021. Let us examine where we have done it correct or not. 58979 multiplied by 99999, that is equal to 5897841021. Hence our answer was correct. Equal to 5897841021. Now we will do the second case, which is example 3, 69 into 999. This example can be done like the first step also if we add a 0 before it. 0 has no value because it is placing just before 69, and but it makes it as a 3-digit number. So our first step will be 069 minus 1, that is 068. Now our second step will be 1000 minus 69, that is equal to 931. Or we can also do, that is 999, we will subtract it 68. So our answer will be 68931. Let us see it whether we have done it correct or not. 69 multiplied 68931. Hence our answer is absolutely correct. Now we will take example 4 as 948 into 99999. We will do this time in single line. First step will be 948 minus 1, that is 947. And since there are 5 zeros, 5 nines, we will subtract 948 from 1 and 5 zeros. That will be 99052. Hence our answer is 947,99052. Let us see whether we have done it correct or not. 948 multiplied by 99999, that is equal to 947,99052. Hence our answer is absolutely correct. Now we will discuss the third case, fifth example. 8375 multiplied by 999. Here we see this is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. This time we will do a bit differently. We will add 3 zeros since there are 3 nines, 0, 0, 0. And we will subtract this from this, that is 5, 7, 3, 8. Subtract, it comes 5, 2, 6, 6, 6, 3, 8. So this is our answer. Let us see whether we have done it correct or not. 8375 multiplied with 999, that is equal to 8366625. Here we observe that without doing any kind of multiplication, by doing only subtraction, we are getting the product of a multiplication. So we will do the sixth example, that is 47693 multiplied with 9999. Our first step will be 47693. Here we also see that this is 4-digit and this is a 5-digit, and since this is a 4-digit number, we will add 4 zeros. Now we will subtract this from this. Hence 3, 9, 6, 7, 4. We are subtracting it from this. 7, 0, 3, 2, 8, 8, 6, 7, 4. Hence this will be our answer. So let us see whether we have done it correct or not. 4, 7, 6, 9, 3 multiplied with 9999 equal to, it is 476882307. Hence our answer was absolutely correct. Equal to 476882307. Thank you for being with us and watching this video.